Yo, what is up, guys? This is a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. I'm going to be attempting to flip it with no knowledge of flipping cars. I've never flipped a car in my life, but I'm going to be attempting to flip this car. I paid about $3,500 for this car. I should be able to get around $5,000-ish probably from the research I did, but we'll find out. All right, we're going to give you guys a better look around the car. Here it is. There's a few little which I think that's a scratch. I don't think that's going to come off. It's kind of crammed in here. There's a little sticker spot. Probably can get that off. It's pretty dirty. I'm going to have to give it a wash. This side looks pretty good. The front looks pretty good too. Going to have to clean it up. There's a little bit of like dirt and stuff on it, but other than that, the outside looks pretty good. This is the interior of the van. This part is kind of falling off, but nothing some duct tape won't fix. Going to have to clean it out. Have to vacuum it. But yeah, I'm gonna get to cleaning the van and I'll probably just do a time lapse of that. I did go to Walmart and buy a good chunk of cleaning supplies, so we're gonna be using that and be deep cleaning the van. I've been vacuuming for a while now. It's looking a lot better. I am going to start shampooing, and I probably will go over with the vacuum one more time because there's still a little bit of dirt and stuff, but it's looking a lot better now. Alrighty, I am about done with the inside. It is looking a lot better now. All the food crumbs and stuff are gone. It looks a lot better. Now I'm going to be working on washing the car. I'm gonna get the outside looking good, and then I'm gonna go take some pictures and try to list it. All right, we just finished washing it. I'm gonna clean out the inside one last time, and then I'm gonna go take some pictures of it. All right, I finished cleaning out the van. It's looking pretty good compared to what it was. I'm currently on my way to the DMV because I have to register the thing, so yeah. I just got out of the DMV, got the plate, got the title, all that. It's like $600, so that was fun, but yeah.